All right, in topic 9-6, we are doing a combination of 9-4, which is taking a whole number and dividing it by a fraction, and 9-5, where we take a fraction and divide it by a whole number. Remember, your first number is your inside, which is your dividend, and the second one, when it's written this way, is your divisor, the outside. So here we have a fraction divided by a whole number. What is or I should say, apologize, a unit fraction divided by a whole number? What's your answer have to be? And when you're taking a whole number and you're dividing it by a fraction, a unit fraction, what does your answer always, quotient will always be? Go ahead and push pause and write all 6 problems down. Okay, go ahead and do the first one and see what you come up with. All right, so we have 1/2. Well, let's do this. Let's do the golden rule right here. Leave the first fraction alone. Change division to multiplication and multiply the second one by its reciprocal. Now multiply straight across. What's 1 times 1? 1. What's 2 times 6? 12. 1/12. Is that what you got? Great job.
Hey.
All right, go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with as a quotient for the next one. Now don't forget, you've got a whole number divided by a fraction. All right, so whenever you have a whole number divided by a fraction, a unit fraction, your answer is always going to be a whole number. So, golden rule, leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. You can't cross factors, so multiply straight across. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. 16 divided by 1 is 16. You have a whole number. Did you get that? Awesome!
Hey.
All right, go ahead and push pause. Again, we have a whole number divided by a unit fraction. What's your quotient always going to be? Okay, so golden rule. Then we leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and we multiply the second fraction by its reciprocal, meaning flip it. Can't cross factor, so we multiply straight across. 6 times 7 is 42. 1 times 1 is 1. And 42 over 1 is 42. And we have a whole number again. Whenever you divide a whole number by a fraction, your answer should always be a whole number. Did you get that answer? Awesome!
Hey.
Okay, now look it. We have a fraction divided by a whole number. Go ahead and push pause and see what you come up with. So let's do the golden rule. Whenever you have a fraction divided by a whole number, a unit fraction divided by a whole number, your quotient will always be a fraction. So leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 5 is 30. So our answer is 1/30. Did you get that one? Great job.
Hey.
Hey.
Here we have a fraction divided by a whole number, a unit fraction divided by a whole number. Go ahead and push pause and see what quotient you come up with. All right, so first off, we have a unit fraction divided by a whole number. Your answer should always be a fraction. So leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Did you get 1/10 as an answer? Yeah, that was okay. Ha! Great job.
Hey.
Hey.
All right, last problem. Go ahead and push pause. Don't forget, you have a whole number divided by a unit fraction. All right, so let's do the golden rule. Leave the first fraction alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Can't cross factor, so multiply straight across. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 1 is 1. 25 divided by 1 is 25. Did you get that as a quotient? Great job. Well, again, this is a combination of topic 9.4 and 9.5. I will see you tomorrow.
Hey.
Hey.